Hi, Michaela. It's Devin Norton again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier, and thank you for clicking on the short video. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can follow so you can show up and beat Above Roofing, because if you type in Roofing Grand Rapids, they're right at the top under Angie. I'm going to show you how they're doing that so you can beat them. You're probably wondering why I'd even make this video for you. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of roofing contractors and just contractors in general. They're so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and they just do it themselves, but some people call me back and say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to help educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 simple things today: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, your website is not live right now. I'm not sure why. I think it's you must have had a Vistaprint website at one point and maybe they upgraded it. But either way, there's 3 things you want to do: content, backlinks, and citations. For content, you want to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. If I copy these guys' content, Above Roofing, and I paste it here, you can see they have 1,242. So by getting to 1,500 words on your homepage, you're going to blow them out of the water. Also, you're going to want to put some keywords inside of that content, such as like Roofing Grand Rapids, Roofing Companies Grand Rapids, Roofing Grand Rapids MI. You can see with just those 3 keywords, that's 700 people total searching, 200, 200, 300. So imagine if you're number 1 in front of 700 people who wanted to purchase roofing in Grand Rapids every single month. Imagine how that would change your business. It'd be pretty wild, right? So that's why you want to have 1,500 words of content, and you want to fit these keywords inside of that content. Last quick tip on content: you can also save your images as these keywords, and that'll help you rank for it. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest where they want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites, which means you're going to get a lot more of a result if you have other like construction and roofing companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't need to use it. Just Google backlink checker. You can find all the same info. It says you currently have 6 websites linking to you, while Above Roofing has 554 websites linking to them. So if I were you, I would just copy them, because if these 554 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank them, they're trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you too. So I would go to each one of these websites one by one and put a link on each website right back to your website the exact same way that they did. You know, for example, if you went to expertise.com, you create a profile, you put a link in your profile to your homepage, and you've got a backlink. Same with Yellow Pages. Create a profile, put a link in your profile, link it back to your homepage. That's 2 backlinks. Each website's different. It's really simple. It's really simple. It just takes a little bit of time. But if you follow those 2 tips, if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, that's enough to get you ranked number 1 right here under Angie and start getting all of the business that comes with being there. The last tip I have for you is how to show up right here in the map section. Getting number 1 right here requires having more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, stuff like that. So what I would do if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Allied Roofing was in. I put myself in those exact same directories, and then I'd add a bunch more on top. So if they were in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. That's all I've got for you, Michaela. Hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage. You want to have keywords inside of your content like Roofing Grand Rapids. You're going to want to take the links that are going to above Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Allied Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google and start getting all the free business that comes with that. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This route is a great route to go. If you do this route, I just recommend you get started as soon as possible, because it does take time to implement, and the longer you wait, the more you have to catch up, as your competitors are already doing this. If you have any questions or you want some help getting this done for you, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524, and I'd be happy to hear your goals and at least give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you, Michaela. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great week. See ya.